Alright guys, welcome back, welcome back. Let's see what we got here. So, I got my trusty iPhone 5 SE, and you can just see if this will fit here with all the gear that's on it. It feels like it's gonna fit okay, but then how am I gonna get this around? Okay, never mind. Don't do that. Don't do that. That was not smart. Okay, put this on this side maybe. Put this on that side underneath it. It always looks easier when people who've done this like a million times do it, right? When you do it the first time, that's what my videos are for, is to show you what it's going to be like for real. This is not my favorite tool, is it? It's really not my favorite tool so far. Eventually it did go in, but it was not the easiest thing to do. And then hopefully this will still fit in there somehow. Okay, that's cool, that's cool. That fitting in just the way it was supposed to. Good stuff, good stuff. And then I guess I'll have to get the DJI app, wherever that is. I don't know. Haven't got that far. But here, it comes with the charging thingy-mapoodle. And with this, and so I'm guessing I should be able to charge this in the wall using this cable and this. So let's just open that up. Yeah, I put my knife away. I shouldn't have done that. Okay. Just takes more effort. That's all it is. That's all it is. Put that in here. And I guess this thing doesn't have batteries, so you do the same thing. You charge it like this, I would imagine. And this, I would have to charge it in there like that. So it looks like, yeah, that's cool. This thing here, they said it's kind of hard to get this off. Oh boy, things just flew off. Okay, that's not dangerous. Okay. So if I'm not mistaken, these go open like this, and these, based on the research that I did, should open this way. Oh, okay. Wow, these motors are cool. Alrighty, and then there's a sticker here to hold this in place. So I'm going to take all the stickers off. Because why not? You can't fly them with the stickers on. I mean, you probably could fly it with this sticker on. I don't know if I want to take that one off. We'll see. Shouldn't do anything bad to the drone. I mean, usually... Oh, that was super easy. They said it was hard to take off. They said it was super hard to take off, so... They were wrong. They lied. They lied. It's easy to take off, but... Will it be easy to put it back on? I don't know that. Okay, so it's... Whoa, okay, so... You want to push this in like that. So there's these things here. You want to make sure those are in first, I would imagine. And then it should click into place. Yeah, there you go. That's easy. That's easy. So I think they lied on that. That's really easy to do. So long as you don't try to push these things in after this one in. So let's do that again. Let's take that off. Let's push this in, push the gimbal in just a little bit. Just kind of not much, just a little bit. And then angle these so they go in there like that. And then click. Super easy, super easy. Just do it this way and you're going to be a happy camper. All right. And put everything back in its place. Guess it's like that. Like that. I am a little bit worried about snapping these super tiny props when I open and close things. That I'm a little bit concerned about. Or scratching that when I do something wrong. But we'll see. We'll see. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. And in the next one, I guess we'll move on because I don't even have the app on this, so I don't know what's going on. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.